Alright, so I hope you're all ready for adventure this week, because this week I've brought you guys to another one of the hidden locations on the way to Maracas. And this gem is called Maraquette Bay. Let's go. So the Maraquette community is just before Maracas Beach. It's like 3 corners before Maracas Bay. And you're going through the small little village, not a big village. And you're going downhill. And this is about an hour's hike to get to the beach. When you reach here, you're going to be in a relaxing mood. This place is going to set you in such a calming mood, eh? Okay, so that wraps up this week's episode of Trinbago Life. And if this is the first time you're seeing our content, I would highly advise for you to lock in that content by hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell so that the next time we upload, you would know.